Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2020 Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal turn signal kit on it, part number 4200. We're going to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the turn signal kit. As you can see, there's three 3/4 inch amber LEDs. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can install these on the front. We've had a lot of fun playing with these in different areas. Keep in mind, if you guys go to install the bumpers on there, it will cover up some areas where you would potentially install those. Some guys are putting them right along here, a couple along there, even one on the side. We do like this area because it does have good forward view as well as good side view. You can see that around the passenger side. You'll note that this kit does include the daytime running lights. You can override that function if you would like. It's nice for that added visibility. To activate the turn signals, just like in your car, down's going to be left. You'll notice indicator light up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. Really nice and bright, so you're not that guy driving down the road with the flashers on or turn signals on. You can see it flashing there. What I love about the Ryco kit, it ties into the stock tail light housing. Really nice, bright, clean, custom factory look. And then up will be right, of course. Same thing on the back side. You can see the left there now not flashing. And then the right flashing. Visibility is great with this kit. The Ryco kit also has the hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All four corners are now flashing. And we'll go around the back side. Also, while we're back here, you can see that the Turn Signal Street Legal kit does come with license plate mounting hardware, as well as a nice LED to illuminate the plate at night. Here in Utah, they're issued a motorcycle size plate, mounts on there just perfectly. To release the four-way hazards, you're going to want to simply go up or down with the lever, not push the red lever back in. So again, four-way hazards, pull the lever out. You can see them working. You cannot push that red lever back in. Just go up or down with the turn signal. Horn button, as you can see, is integrated into the end of the lever. Nice loud car-style horn. Here in Utah, the Ryco Street Legal kit comes with everything you need to be street legal, with the exception of 2 mirrors. That can be accomplished with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. Totally up to you. This rig right here is going down to the famous Moab Cowboy. He does guided tours and rentals down there. If you'd like more information about the KRX 1000, about making your street legal, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Also, if you'd like to get down to Moab and check out Moab Cowboy Offroad, we'll post up a link and his phone number down in the description below. If you'd like to talk to me personally, my name's Jared. 435-427-3338 is the shop, and my personal cell, 435-851-3637. Have a great day, everybody. We are Kawasaki strong here at Big Pine Sports. We do have parts and accessories available today to ship out for your KRX.